What's up guys, welcome back here with Max's Kitchen, and today we make corn dog. Corn dog is a simple sausage that has been coated in a thick layer of cornmeal butter and deep fried. Nothing else, super easy. We start from the butter, mixing the dry ingredients. Here I have cornmeal flour. First off, 225 grams of corn flour, 7 grams of bicarbonate of soda and 2 nice tablespoons of sweet paprika, 20 grams of granulated sugar and 100 grams of flour, nice pinch of salt, and you are ready to go. Anyway, you can find the recipe in the description below. With a nice clean whisk, just mix all the ingredients. Take a new clean bowl, really important, and now we are gonna mix the wet ingredients. 1 full egg and 1 egg yolk. And last but not least, 300 milliliters of whole milk. Make sure you don't use skimmed milk, it won't give you the best result in the end. Nice quick stir again, and now we are gonna put together the puzzle. Add the dry mix to the wet mix, little by little, and make sure you don't add all in once, otherwise it will be really hard to break all the lumps down. When you get this consistency, you are ready to go. Our corn butter is ready and we move to the fridge. In the fridge for at least 1 hour, you have to let the mix to set completely. Now, German sausages or würstel, this is what I'm talking about. The typical sausage that goes into the hot dog bun. Cut in half and take some skewers. You have to trim off them of 5-6 centimeters or even less. Make sure you do it, otherwise they will be too long. And here we go, our butter is ready, it's thickened, and now we are gonna simply use it. But first we need to break it down with a simple whisk. Upside down is not moving, it's ready. As you can see, the mix is way too hard in order to dip our sausage in it. Make sure you add a bit of milk until you get the right consistency. Don't add too much milk, otherwise it won't be usable. And this is the consistency. And then transfer your mix into a clean container. Make sure it's deep, and in this case I'm using a simple water glass. And this is the best part, because we are gonna fry them and see how they will look. Clean pan and sunflower oil, but use any kind of oil you have in your kitchen. Submerge your sausages until fully covered. When you get this result, you are ready to fry them. Submerge them completely and roll the skewers between your fingers, so you will have these beautiful, nice sausages with no edges. Nice golden brown. Do it again until all the sausages are fried. The temperature of the oil is really important. Make sure no more than 170 degrees Celsius. Beautiful, nice. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Dress your corn dogs with sauces, whatever you like. I'm using mayonnaise and ketchup. I literally love them. And now is the best time. Let's give a bite to it. Let's try it. Guys, they are really nice. It's the typical street food. Nothing else to say. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, and I'll see you in the next recipe next week.